Hi, World History students. So, one, I'm coming at you just for a second, just as a real person, because I think sometimes you guys forget that I'm a real person, unless you haven't been listening to my lovely voice notes before your assignments, because I definitely show my personality there. So, first off, I just have to say, and you probably already heard me, maybe if you listen to my video for the unit introduction, but the Romans are really my favorite thing that we look at in this module. I love world religions. They're really fun and everything, but these are like the Greeks 2.0, right? And probably one of my favorite things is how much the Romans actually did during a time in terms of engineering during a time when most of the world still, was just barely making fires. So let's just take a look for a second at Rome, engineering, and empire, and the sad addiction and story that I have to tell you. I love this series, Engineering and Empire. You can find basically all of them on YouTube, but Rome is my favorite, okay? I have a very short, like 4 video clips for you to watch from this series. It's like an hour and a half long, and anytime, my husband makes fun of me so much, anytime it's on History Channel, I will still flip to it and watch it, and he's like, you show this in all of your classes, and when I was teaching in person, sometimes I was seeing it 4 or 5 times a day, depending on how many world history classes, and I was like, I don't care, it's so good. So I hope you like it as much as I do. So there's that from Rome, Engineering, and Empire, and there's also a separate clip from the Smithsonian channel, which is also pretty cool. Not as good as the Colosseum part. You'll get to it. But then you're going to have at least 5 details from the video, and you're going to tell me about some of the accomplishments the Romans are known for. So make sure that you are taking your details from the videos and not the internet machine. Trust me, I've seen this documentary 1,000 times over. You can't fool me. Anyways, you may respond in a Word doc or in the text box, or if you really want, you can upload a video of yourself talking about the 5 details from the videos so that show the accomplishments of the Romans. They are, again, they're just really cool. I really hope you love them. So please let me know if you have any questions on anything for Engineering and Empire. I could tell you 1,000 details about the Romans you probably never even want to hear. But if you ever want to get a conversation, just go over to that Canvas inbox and I'll talk to you a little bit about it. All right. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing or seeing what details you thought were pretty impressive of the Romans.